Hi there, my name is Simon, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money on Coinbase. Now we're going to talk about two different methods. The first one being the referral program, where you get $10 if you refer your friends to Coinbase. And then the second way is the Coinbase Earn program, where you can basically make money in cryptocurrency by learning about new cryptocurrencies. I'm going to show you everything on my computer so you can easily follow along with this video. So now let's head over to my computer and get started. And now, like I promised you in the beginning of the video, I want to show you how you can earn some free cryptocurrency and basically free money on your Coinbase account. So the first way is to just invite your friends with your personal Coinbase referral link, and when they use your link to sign up for a new Coinbase account, they deposit at least $100 and buy any cryptocurrency, then you'll be getting a free $10 in your account. I think you get it in Bitcoin, I'm not sure actually, and your friend will also get a free $10 in their account. So it's basically a win-win situation. But how do you actually get this specific referral link? So it used to be somewhere here on the top, but I think they're changing it around a lot. So right now I found it here in the settings. So you have to go to the top right here on your name, click on settings. And then you want to go to, I think, preferences right here. And then right here. So you can see here, get, this is Swiss francs 9. For you, it's going to say maybe 10 US dollars or maybe 8 British pounds or something. So you can click here. And then it will take you to coinbase.com/invite. And here is your link. And what I've done is I just put my link down below in the video description. So if people want to use my link basically for thanking me for this tutorial, they can do that. But you can also just send it to your friends and then tell them, hey, if you want to buy cryptocurrency anyway, you can use my link, then you'll get $10 for free. So you can just send them this link, and this is the first way you can earn some money with Coinbase. And then the second way how you can make money with your Coinbase account is to make use of their Coinbase Earn program. So when you go back to your home screen by clicking on home, and then somewhere here it should say something like earn crypto, earn free crypto with Coinbase Earn. So click here on earn crypto, and then this is basically like a learning program, but you'll be rewarded by like watching videos and answering questions with a certain cryptocurrency. So for example, let's maybe go to this one right here. So we can click on view, and we can earn like $6 worth of this coin. So Cello would be the coin. So we can click on get started right here. And then we just have to watch these lessons that you see right here. So we can click on watch. And to be honest, you don't even need to watch the entire video. What you can also do is to just answer all the questions that you see here on the bottom. And currently I'm on the wait list because, I don't know, I think there's like a limited amount of coins they're giving out right now. But I think they also keep adding these earn quizzes and earn kind of lectures right here. So let's see, maybe we can join one. So I'm on the wait list for pretty much all of these right now. So maybe you can't do it right away. But I actually done it, I think, a while ago on my other Coinbase account. And it was very simple. I could just click on these lessons, and then you don't even need to watch the videos, to be honest. You can just click on each of the answer until you find the right one. And then you'll get like, I don't know, $2 in like a minute or something. So it's a very cool program. It's going to add up to, I think I made like, I don't know, like $40 worth of these coins in like 20 minutes or something, or even less. So it's pretty cool. So you can make use of this. It's not like crazily a lot, but it's something you can make use of. So it's pretty cool. All right, so that's how you can make some money using your Coinbase account. This was actually a segment of my complete Coinbase tutorial that is also available here on YouTube. So if you're a complete beginner to Coinbase, I recommend to watch my complete tutorial that will show you how to set everything up from complete scratch. I'll leave a link to that tutorial down below in the video description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to click that thumbs up button down below and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Also, if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.